I'm in Canberra, Australia. There are different buildings here. Some are the love of dunya, running after cars, running after houses, running after... People are in doubts. People just don't know how to live life. They don't have... One day, the angel of death will come and take us back, right? And if we lived our life like this, then unfortunately... Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I'm in Canberra, Australia, which is the federal capital of Australia. And I'm just around a lake here. And you can see all of these buildings are basically the government buildings. Basically because the federal capital, there are different buildings here. Some are the courts, some are the parliaments, and you can see there is like a tower there as well, observatory tower, and a lake right in the middle of Canberra, beautiful hills around. And you know, I always said this, I've said this in some of the videos before as well, that I love water. Everybody loves water, of course, and I had some time between my two lectures, so just came to see water. But look at this water, like water is like, it's not still, right? When it's still, and also when it's sunny, then you can see the reflections much clearer. But right now, because it's a little windy, it's winters here and it's a little windy here as well, so it's not very still water. So you cannot see the reflections of anything. It's also cloudy right now. So same is the state of our heart, right? When it's not still and if it's cloudy, then nothing is clear in our hearts. But if it's still and it is also shining with the light of revelation of Quran and Sunnah, then things become very clear in the heart. If you reflect on what's around you, then you start understanding, you start comparing things that are going within you. So what's around you is also what's within you. Like we have rivers outside, we have also rivers flowing in our veins. Just like there are vegetations around, there are vegetation on our bodies as well. The hair that we have or the vegetation of the body. The whole universe outside, there is also one universe inside. So what we should do is that we should not make sure that our heart is still. It should be shining with the light of Allah, and things will become so clear. People have so many doubts. People don't know how to live life because they have cluttered their hearts with the love of dunya, running after cars, running after houses, running after wealth, running after, you know, different things. Everybody has their own idol that they have created, unfortunately. And plus it's so cloudy, you know, because they have not given it the light of Quran and Sunnah, the revelation. So nothing is clear. People are in doubts. People just don't know how to live life. They don't have a goal of their life. And they're just wasting their life. And one day the angel of death will come and take us back, right? And if we lived our life like this, then unfortunately, that's not a good day. But inshallah, if we keep our heart still, and how do you keep our heart still? That's with the remembrance of Allah Ta'ala. Allah Ta'ala says, Ala bi dhikrillahi tatma'innul qulub. Indeed, in the remembrance of Allah, the hearts find rest and peace and tranquility. So we should keep our hearts clear, have love of Allah and His Messenger, and everything, all the other love that we have should be according to the love of Allah and His Messenger. So what it means is that we'll earn in a halal way, spend it in a halal way. We'll make sure that, you know, wherever there is a clash between Sharia and our own desires, then we will give preference to Sharia over our own desires. So that's the stillness of the heart. And of course, that will only be given light through the light of revelation of Quran and Sunnah. So this is what we should be doing, and we'll see that there is so much stillness, inshallah, in our heart, peace, tranquility. May Allah Ta'ala give me tawfiq to understand, and everybody. So inshallah, keep in touch. Wa akhru da'wana and alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.